In this video, we're going to learn about the USAutomatic remote. I will show how to set the dip switches, how to learn to P1 and P2, and how to unlearn from P1 and P2. To set the dip switch, swing the door cover on the face of the remote to the left. This houses both the battery and the 9 dip switches. These dip switches are 3-stage, meaning they can be set to either up, middle, or down position. Use a small tool to push the switches into the desired position. The dip switches come preset all down. For demonstration, I will move 2 to the full up position. To learn to P1, press and hold P1 on the receiver until the light comes on, and then press and hold the 1 dot or left button on the remote. The gate should operate, this indicating that the remote's 1 dot button is now learned to P1. To learn to P2, press and hold P2 on the receiver until the light comes on, then press and hold the 2 dot or right button on the remote. The gate should operate, indicating that the remote's 2 dot button is now learned to P2. To unlearn from P1, press and hold the P1 button on the receiver until the light comes on, and press and hold the 1 dot or left button on the remote. The receiver LED will flash 1 time, indicating that the remote's 1 dot button is now unlearned from P1. To unlearn from P2, press and hold the P2 on the receiver until the light comes on, and press and hold the 2 dot or right button on the remote. The receiver LED will flash 1 time, indicating that the remote's 2 dot button is now unlearned from P2. The process for learning and unlearning remotes is the same, so be mindful of what you have previously programmed.